And good morning, classmates. I am Edwin A. Mangapu Jr., a student of Daraga Community College, BN2 Block 20. And I am here to continue the report of Miss Amalin Montecastro entitled Suggested Activities for School Camping. These are the objectives: to provide students with comprehensive outdoor education experience, to encourage students to develop problem-solving skills, to teach pupils environmental awareness through direct learning in the outdoors. I start in land navigation. Land navigation is an adventure game. It involves physical and mental skills to be able to reach the expected destination. It is both educational and fun. In land navigation, the students divided into groups of 5 to 10 members each. They choose their respective group leaders who will be responsible for keeping their group intact during the navigation. The teacher will provide a map and a compass for each group. Each group will wear shirts of the same color to identify them from the others. The teacher will give the group the same set of directions to follow. They start at the same time and reassemble in the agreed location after 1.5 hours. The fastest group to complete the challenge wins. And these are the direction of the groups. First station, the direction is northeast 41 degrees. The instruction is 10 making. Second station is direction northwest 329 degrees, and the instruction is inflating balloons. Third station, the direction is southeast 141 degrees. Instruction, collecting roses. Fourth station, the direction is southeast 121 degrees. The instruction is setting the table and decorating it with the balloons and flowers from second and third station. Last station, or fifth station, the direction is southeast 41 degrees, and the instruction is going back to the tent. Camping during nighttime can be exciting as camping during the day. Narito ang ilan sa mga example or halimbawa ng mga activities na pwede natin gawin na talaga namang magpapailaw sa ating gabi. Una, go for a nighttime walk, play hide and seek in the dark, stargaze, prepare and release sky lanterns, play spooky games, make hand shadows, telling story with each other, and read stories aloud to each other. Sa pamamagitan ng mga activities na to, pansamantala nating nakakalimutan ang ating mga problema. Ito rin ay mabisang pangtanggal stress. Sa pamamagitan nito, nabibigyan tayo ng oras para makapag-relax. Pwede po itong gawin lalo na po kung kasama natin ang ating pamilya. Nagkakaroon tayo ng time or oras sa bawat isa at mas lalo pang nagiging close ang bawat miyembro ng ating pamilya sa pamamagitan ng activity na to. Pati po ng ating mga kaibigan, pwede natin itong gawin kasama sila, katulad po ng nasa larawan. And especially yung make hand shadows, paborito po yan ng mga bata laruin. And yung read stories aloud to each other. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata na magbasa tayo ng mga kwento, ito man ay nakakatawa, nakakatakot, or katang-isip lamang. Sa pamamagitan nito, pwede natin dito i-share yung mga kwento natin nung tayo nasa kabataan pa lamang, nung tayo ay bata pa, kung ano yung mga gusto nating laruin, kung ano yung mga paborito nating kwento, at marami pang iba. Ilan lamang ito sa mga benefits na maaari nating makuha sa camping: social skills, independent skills, team building and development of leadership and decision-making skills, encouragement of physical fitness and active lifestyle, and personal challenges. These are the some of disadvantages of camping. bug bite, or loud animals at night. So dyan, hindi tayo makakatulog ng maayos kung maraming hayop ang may ingat. Then, bad weather. Halimbawa, mainit, tapos walang electric fan kasi walang kuryente. Pero pwede naman magdala ng portable electric fan. And no internet connection. Yan, isa yan sa minsan problema ng mga kabataan, lalo sa panahon ngayon. Pag walang internet, naboboring na yung mga campers, especially yung mga millennials. Pag walang internet, ay nako, bagot na bagot. At yun po nagtatapos ang aking report. Sana po ay marami kayong nawaan.